I thought the match went really well. I think everyone, accomplished the goals that we wanted to accomplish and what we had set before the match. We wanted to go in and our goal was just to get better. No matter who's on the other side of the net, we just wanted to get better. So I think we did that. Serving is actually really important in this sport. A lot of people, they'll kind of brush it off as just input a ball, but our team, we really like to focus on making sure that you put in a ball that's going to get that team out of system. So it's something that I take pride in. It's something that I work hard every day to get better at.
It went really well. We set some goals before the game and went out there and accomplished the goals. We had some lineup changes and everyone did a really good job at adjusting to those lineup changes and still executing great. So it was a really good game and a good match for us. Our goal was just to get better, and that's what we did. I feel a lot stronger. It's been so much easier with the team, helping me out through it. Whether it's Haley talking me through different plays or just giving me advice here and there, because it is hard to be out for a little over 3 weeks and then to jump right back in. And they've made it really easy for me, and yeah, it's just been a big team effort with them helping me out, but it hasn't been that bad. It's just been a process. Last year it was one of our first Big Ten wins, and so it's good to get back with them and be back at the home court. And I don't know, it's just a quick turnaround, so it'll be a little tougher to get back. Or it won't be tough, but it'll be a challenge to get back into the gym and get back at it. But I think that we do a really good job at usually getting our minds right and moving on to the next game. We always say get back on the train and move on. That game, Rutgers, is over now, and we're moving on to Illinois. So all of us are really focused for that.